Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Throne and Liberty game high ping problem or the connection problem. I will show you guys the different and effective solution to fix this problem. Guys, first open up your end browser and just open up this website. Here you will see the server status. Now first you have to simply check if your server is in maintenance or good. Now you have to simply select your server region, then you can just see your server status. If it is in maintenance, then just wait for it to commit back to the normal, then check your problem is fixed or not, and if it is good then just apply the solution I'm showing in this video and then check your problem is fixed or not. Now go to the Windows search and just type here the ncpa.cpl and just open up this control panel setting. Here you will see your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet, so make a right click on your connection and you will see the properties, click on that. Now here just highlight the internet protocol version 4, then just click on the properties. Now here just click on the use the following DNS addresses and in the preferred type the 8888 and in the alternate type the 8844. Guys, this is the best Google DNS server. Then just click on the OK, then just launch the game, then check your problem is fixed or not. Now if your problem is not fixed, the next solution is command prompt. So go to the Windows search and just type here the cmd and cmd appear on the top, so just click on the run as administrator. Now here just type the command which is ipconfig space / then flush DNS. Guys, once you type it, just hit the enter and this command flush all the DNS resolver cache. Now this is very important. Then just type the netsi space winsock space reset. Guys, once you type it, just hit the enter, then you must need to restart your PC to apply the changes. So once you restart your PC, then launch the game, then check your problem is fixed or not. And guys, if your problem is not fixed, then go to the Windows search and just type here the proxy settings and it will appear on the top, so open it. Now here just scroll down and just make sure that the manual proxy setup is off, and you also need to make sure that you are not using any kind of VPN. Now check. Now if your problem is still not fixed, then go to the Windows search and just type here the network reset and the network reset setting appear on the top, so open it. Now here just click on the reset now option, then just click on the yes option. So once you click on the yes, your PC will restart after 5 minutes, then launch the game, then check your problem is fixed or not. And I hope guys one of the solution fixes your problem, and if your problem is fixed, please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.